This video is a complimentary video on the video we made on lesson 3.0 ZIMSEC Combined Science Course Ordinary Level. Video iri ividhio richabatsiridza video ratakagadzira lesson 3.0 discuss about measuring instruments. Saka chatoda kutanga kuelaborate upon, chatoda kutanga kutsinidzira inhau the degree of accuracy. Takati isusu, the degree of accuracy is determined by the lowest measure or the least count an instrument can be used to measure. An example there is the degree of accuracy of a meter rule is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeters. What do we mean by degree of accuracy? Chatinoti degree of accuracy hama dzangu tinenge tichirefer to this least count. Rather, let me use this color. This least count kana kuti the lowest measure. Tikatora an instrument, totsvaga the lowest measure that instrument can record. That is the degree of accuracy. Saka rula yatiinayo apa ndi tikaitarisa zvakanaka tichaona kuti the lowest length yainogona kurekodha is 1 millimeter, because kubva pana 0 panapa kusvika pakatanda kekutanga pane 1 millimeter, of which paine 1 millimeter kudaro takati isusu the degree of accuracy of a meter ruler is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeters. So maybe we need to do a conversion here to prove that 1 millimeter is indeed 0.1 centimeters. Saka chashanza proportion panapa. Saka what we need to do is toda kuita a conversion and toda kuconverta 1 millimeter to centimeters. Saka kuti tiite zvatinoita panapa ndezvekuti toda kushandisa proportion. But remember zvatakadiscussa proportion. Our first statement should be a true statement. Saka our first statement is going to be, we know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So this is going to be our first statement, which is a true statement. 1 centimeter in a 10 millimeters. And togonongozviprova takatarisa parula panapa. Tikatora maybe from 1 centimeter to the 2 centimeter mark. Tikaverenga millimeters, because each point panapa iri kurepresenta a millimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So that is a true statement. But remember, takati, our second statement of proportion should actually be the question. Saka question panapa, tikuda kuconverta millimeters to 1 centimeter. In other terms, we need to determine how many centimeters are there in 1 millimeter. Saka 1 millimeter mune centimeters mangani. Unknown yedu tai representa na x. This is our variable. So this is going to be our question. Aya ari 2 aya ndoanga chinzi machi statements of proportion. Statements of proportion. Statements of proportion kuti tione accuracy yawo tinofanirwa kudetermine kana kuita take note kuti ku either side, saka rino side ritenge chiri tichi the left hand side, because ku left hand rino side ritoriti the right hand side. So we should know kuti each side should have the similar units. Each side should have similar units. Saka ku left hand side, tukona kuti ma units atinawo machi macentimeters. Ku-right hand side, kuona kuti maunits atinawo mamillimeters. Tikaona kuti each side, the left and the right, ine the same or similar units. Zvinoreva kuti ma-statements of proportion edu are accurately placed. Then, of course, the first statement is going to be the true statement, and the next statement is going to be our question. Having done so, let us now apply this proportion. Could it determine how many centimeters do we have in a millimeter? Saka panapa, maybe regai ndidzokorodze kunyora ma-statements of proportion edu. Tanga takamanyora isusu takati 1 centimeter to what? To 10 millimeters. Then x centimeters to 1 millimeter. Tadaro manje, zvatakuita panapa ndezvekuti takuconverta ma-statements of proportion edu into an equation. Zvatinoita tichati 1 over x. Saka ku left hand side, ta-introduce this division line, 1 over x, to replace ma-semicolon atinawo with an equal sign. Saka it's 1 over x, it's equal to 10 over 1. There's no need yekunyora ma-units edu aya because kuri kuti tatamanyora tatati 1 centimeter panapa, kwatati x centimeters panapa, toti futi 10 millimeters panapa, toti 1 millimeter panapa. Tikuonawo kuti ma-units edu achakansela. Saka because ma-units edu ari kukansela, there's no need yekumanyora apo. Ende chimwe chinhu chinoita kuti tive neconfidence dzekusanyora ma-units edu inhau yekuti tinenge taita verify kuti ku left hand side kune the similar unit which is centimeter, ku right hand side kune a similar unit which is the millimeter. Okay, kusolva manje akuchanetsi, tangoisolva as an equation. Panapa tinoda kuapply what? The method of cross multiplication. Saka 1 iyi ichanomultiply kunoku, x yo multiply kupi? Uko. Kureva kuti resultantly tina 1 iyi times 1 yabva kunoku is equal to 10 iyo times x yabva uko. So 1 times 1 then the 1 is equal to 10 times x then the 10x. Of which kuti tisare tina x, we are going to divide both the right hand side and the left hand side na 10. Saka panapa 10 dividing into 1 is 0.1, it's equal to x. Therefore 1 millimeter iri what? Iri equal to 0.1 centimeters. Tinge tatopedza. Saka if you take note of this part, ukagona kunyora ma-statements of proportion ako, ukaverifya kuti ku left hand side kune a similar unit centimeters, ku right hand side kune a similar unit millimeters. That way you can be able to do conversions easily. But tazoita ma-conversions panapa tichida kuita authenticate this statement kuti the degree of accuracy of a ruler is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeters. But chatanga chida kudzidza exactly kuziva kuti what is the degree of accuracy. So I'm going to repeat or redefine the degree of accuracy. The degree of accuracy is the lowest measure or least count an instrument can record. Ruler yedu iyi length diki yainogona kurekodha i1 millimeter. Tichazozviona patichaita vernier calipers kuti length diki inogona kurekodwa ne-vernier caliper, it's actually a 10th of a millimeter. We're going to prove it. Tozozviona in our next class patichaita about the micrometer gauge kuti the lowest length it can record is 100th of a millimeter. But you don't have to stress over the vernier caliper and the micrometer gauge. What we need to understand now, what is the degree of accuracy. Takuda ku discuss about errors. In ordinary level physics, be it combined science physics, kana kuti pure physics, we mainly have two types of errors which we consider. Saka tine error inonzi iyo parallax error, the parallax error. Tine zvakare another error inonzi zero error. Saka toda kutanga consider what the parallax error is. Saka ndoda kuisa an illustration of 3 students taking a measurement of, let us say, a measuring cylinder. Saka taisa a liquid in a measuring cylinder. We learned in our Form 1 science kuti we use a measuring cylinder to measure the volume of a liquid. So taisa maybe some hydrochloric acid in a lab in a measuring cylinder, and we have 3 exhibits of students who are taking the measurement there. So this is going to be student number 1. This is the measuring cylinder. Then this is the level of the liquid, and this is the eye of the student. This is the eye. Forgive me. So this student is taking this measurement. This is the line of the eye towards the point of measurement. Murikuona? Saka iri ndiro ziso restudent, iyi ndiyo measuring cylinder. This is our student number 1. Student number 2, this is the measuring cylinder. The level of the liquid. This again is the eye now of the student. And this is the line iri kuratidza paakatarisa. And then student number 3, this is the measuring cylinder. The level of the water. This is the eye of the student. And this is the line showing the point paakatarisa. Saka mukatarisa maexhibits atiinawo panapa, ngatibvunzei question. Which of the 3 students, ngatiti here is student A, student B, and student C. Tikabvunza question yekuti which student do you think has taken a more accurate measurement of that hydrochloric acid which is inside the measuring cylinder? Which student has taken a more accurate measurement? The answer is going to be A. Why is it so? Inauye kuti A avoid the parallax error. Coming back to our notes, we have the definition of a parallax error. We said when measuring using a meter rule, make sure that the eye is perpendicular to the point of reading to avoid the parallax error. Saka chinonzi perpendicular, this is the eye, and it chinonzi perpendicular, we already know kuti this is a line which meets a horizontal plane, cannot a line which meets another line at 90 degrees. That is what the term perpendicular refer to. So the second point is the parallax error occurs when the object and the scale are at an angle. Like in that situation where you can see kuti, this is the eye and it, the point of measurement, iye ari kutora measurement panapa, andika, because it is at an angle of which the true measurement the panapa. Dai ziso rake ranga richi perpendicular to the point which is being measured. So this is how we define the parallax error. Coming back here, you can see panapa kuti, this is the eye, point iri kumeasure nde ino E, and there is actually 90 degrees panapa. Saka the position of the eye is actually perpendicular to the point which is being read. Saka panapa, there is no parallax error. Tikatarisawo panapa manje, point chaiyo chaiyo inofanirwa kuverengwa nde ino E, asi ziso nepamusana pekuti riri at an angle. And point yacho nde E, angle yacho E, theta. Zvikureva kuti tiri kutora what? A wrong measurement. Saka panapa there is parallax error. The same applies here, kuti point inofanirwa kuverengwa nde ino E, and but ziso manje riri at an angle to that point. Saka zviri kuitika panapa, we also have what? A parallax error. Let us demonstrate with a diagram tuone kuti parallax error neisiri parallax error zvakamira sei. We have these two diagrams. Tina A, tina B. Tikatarisa panapa tinoona kuti pana A we do not have the parallax error because this is the position of the eye and this is the point which should be read, and they are meeting perpendicularly at 90 degrees. There is no angle like in this case kuti position inofanirwa kuverengwa ndeino E, but mamusana pekuti ziso riri at an angle riri kutora a false position panapa. Applying here also kuti position inofanirwa kuverengwa ndeE, but ziso rinotora a false position. Saka here we have the parallax error, asi apo we do not have the parallax error. So this is a demonstration explaining to us the parallax error. Takuda kutarisa the zero error. So the zero error, the first point is wear and tear of an instrument can damage the divisions at the edges of a meter rule. Saka panapa tiri kudhila nemeter rule, but you should not be confused to think kuti the parallax error and the zero error apply exclusively to a meter rule. These errors, they apply across the board. Every measuring instrument in an incidence of a parallax error or an incidence of a zero error. But in most digital instruments, we expect more of a zero error than a parallax error. Saka, zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti, look at this ruler panapa. The edges of this ruler have been damaged because of wear and tear kusakara. This then leads to the zero error. In order to avoid the zero error, we should take measurements not from the zero mark of an instrument. Saka zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti aya ma-examples ezero error. Tikada kutarisa example yedu yekutanga A, tiri kuona kuti kumucheto kunoku handiti kwajikika jikika because of wear and tear. Saka mark yazero hapachitorina. Chimark chazero chofanira kunge chiri panapa. Hapasitorina, chatobva. Saka tikatanga kutora measurement, toda kumeasure the length of this object. Saka tikada kutora the length of this object, tikameasure tichitangira kuna zero kunoku, tichaita a false read. Tichameasure an inaccurate length, an inaccurate measurement, because taassume tatangira pana zero, isu tisina kutangira pana zero. Saka this is exhibit A of a zero error. Exhibit B panapa ndeyekuti mark yazero iri papoint ino E, asi isusu kumeasure kwedu tatangira kumucheto kwerula. Kumucheto kwerula hakusiko kuna zero. Zero iri kutangira nechemukati zvishoma. Saka panapa the length is going to be a false read. Length yeobject yedu inge isiri accurate because taassume tatangira papoint zero, isusu tatangira kumucheto kwerula kusina point zero. Tikada kuchitarisa pa C panapa. C inoyi manje takuita chi correct the zero error. How do we correct the zero error? Makorektero atiri kuita the zero error ndeyekuti hatizi kutangira kumeasure kuna zero kuno. And because the zero error is at this end, hatisi kutangira kunoku. Tinotangira kumeasure nechemukati, tiri kutangira pa this mark which is what? 10 centimeters. Understand? Then to measure kusvika pa this mark which is roughly 29 centimeters. The actual length of the object is going to be the difference. Tetangoti 29 centimeters minus 10 centimeters to get what? 19 centimeters. Though the true read, cannot the true length of the object. Saka to avoid the zero error, avoid taking measurements from the zero mark of an instrument. Usatangira pa zero, tangira nechemukati, then the length or the measurement is going to be the difference of the two extremes. Like in this case, 29 centimeters subtracting 10 centimeters has given us the true length of the object, which is 19 centimeters. We can do another demonstration here. Takubuda length zvishoma takutarisa maybe the mass of an object. Ngatiti we have a digital balance. So this digital balance and it inotipa chi the reading of the mass. Uruda kuziva kuti mass yako yakakura sei. Saka uri kuenda digital balance. But manje zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti usati watombotsika usati watombotsika ndeaka usati watombotsika paka balance kacho yakatonyora already kuti 2 kg usati watsika. Zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti ukazotsika iwewe tongoti watsika, after watsika yobva yanyora kuti chi 98 kgs. Zvinoreva here kuti masi yako i98 kgs? Masi yako haizi 98 kgs because panga patorine false read before watsika. So I think ndo trick inoitwa nevanhu vanotengesa mabuchari vanobira vanhu vaya kuti vanoita tilt their scale in such a way yekuti inenge itorine a false read before taisa nyama yacho. And tongoti vanhu vari kuda kuba half a kg 500 grams. Andika saka before vatomboisa nyama yacho 500 grams dzinenge dzakatonyorwa kudhara kureva kuti iri kutangira kuverenga pa 500 grams, haisi kutangira kuverenga pa 0. Ndo zvinonzi 0 error. It's not starting to read from the 0 mark. Saka in this case kwada kuwana the true mass unenge wakungoti 98 subtracting 2 96 kgs ndo inenge iri masi yako chaiyo chaiyo. And so this is what the 0 error is. To avoid it, kana tichishandisa ma instruments akaita se meter rule tinongoregera kutangira pa 0. But to correct it, kana tichishandisa ma digitalized measuring instruments akaita sema balances, we just take the difference of the two extremes. This is the 0 error.